I know it's salamat po.
Salamat.
Yeah, salamat po. Thank you, right?
Yep.
We're studying Korean driver.
Yeah, Korean
Oh.
driver.
Maybe you happy?
Yes.
Oh, very good.
I love Koreans.
Oh, maybe you watch K-drama.
Of course. My neighbors in Cebu is almost all Koreans.
Oh.
Let's vote!
I'm right. I see you in TikTok. You're famous.
You're famous. Then you see.
Hmm?
Yes, you're famous. I see you.
No, no.
Kailan mo ko ano katong vlogger? Vlogger. Kita ko niya. Are you the vlogger? Asayo.
네, 안녕하세요.
Hello,
Hello, mako-content.
Hello,
mako-content na ako. Mama! Mama, nandito na ako sa TikTok.
Dali lang.
Ha?
Alam ko itong tax kung saan na to.
Bakit?
Tax kung saan na to.
Bakit? Bakit?
Ha? Bakit? Pag mimeriendahin mo ako mamaya.
Di ba wala na kayong pera? Eh, ba't ka pa bumibili? Ang kapal.
Alam ko to ah. Yung vlogger to ah.
응?
Yung vlogger.
No, 저는 한국 사람입니다.
Kuya, alam ko na yan. Lagi ako nanonood ng vlog mo. Walang mapaprank. Walang mapaprank to yan. Kamodulo na lang siya eh.
Hello.
Hala.
Ay, kilala kita kuya eh. Yung sa TikTok ka.
Yung nagpa-vlog yung nagpa-prank. Di ba kami mapaprank ngayon?
응?
Hindi mo kaya kuya.
OMG kuya, are you the vlogger?
Ma'am,
Are you the vlogger?
bakit po?
Like Don Vertus TV? Ikaw ba yun? Ikaw ba yun?
Opo, ma'am.
Pinag-isipan ko pa dahil dyan.
Ay, talaga?
You are the vlogger, no? Yeah.
Huh?
In TikTok.
TikTok?
Yes. I see your sticker, oh. There, oh.
Wow.
Wow. Tagalog eh.
응?
Tagalog yan.
No.
No.
Kuya, ikaw ba yun?
응?
Ikaw yung vlogger?
응?
Ikaw yun eh.
Hmm?
Yung vlogger na ano?
Vlogger?
Korean.
No,
Korean.
I'm not Korean.
Ay, ay, oo nga siya.
Actually, this is a vlogger.
Oh, you're vlogger.
My mentor, actually. This is my
vlogger.
And I think you are a vlogger.
Eh, kuya vlogger ka pala eh. Vlogger ka daw, sabi nito.
응?
Vlogger ka daw.
Vlogger? Who blog.
Kaya pala meron.
You blogger, right?
Yes, I'm vlogger.
Yeah, you blogger.
Di daw, tanga.
Siya yung vlogger? Siya yung vlogger?
Di ah?
우회전입니다. 전방에 신호 위반 단속 카메라가 있습니다.
갑자기 한국스럽니다.
Oh, you know how to speak Tagalog eh.
Hmm?
I watched you before eh.
Speak Tagalog, you speak Tagalog.
You can speak Tagalog. I know you. I watched you already.
Who am I?
I forgot your name, but I know you can speak Tagalog.
Filipino or Korean? What do you think, me?
Mix? Mixed breed, I'm sorry. Mixed breed, I'm sorry.
I saw you on TikTok. You're not Korean.
Kuya, I know you.
Oh, siya yung vlogger.
I know you.
Where?
Siya yung vlogger.
Hindi mo ako maloloko.
Nag-ano yung nabibiktima na nagko-Koreano.
Oh my God. Parang kilala kita. Humberto. Is that you?
Hello, si Kuya ata yung napapanood ko.
Ay, hindi ako tawid. Koreano po ba kayo?
네, 한국 사람이에요.
Wala, sabi mo anong kakantahin niyo. Sabi mo kanina.
네, 한국 사람이에요. You speak Korean?
Narinig ka rin
Ante,
yun.
narinig ko. Narinig sa ano yan sa Facebook. Baka may ano yan ah.
Kuya, pangalan mo Pinoy. Huwag kang ano.
Roberto, manis ka. Ay, siya yun.
Do you have TikTok? Because I watched someone.
Mm-hmm.
He's a Grab driver
Yeah.
and his content is like this. He
Like
has
this?
free karaoke and he speaks Korean.
And he is a Korean.
I don't know. I think he's just pranking.
Ooh, what is the channel?
I don't remember eh.
한국 사람이에요.
Ikaw ata yung ano, napanood ko na video mo noon eh.
Hmm?
Napanood ko na video mo ata noon.
Ay, ikaw yun nasa
Napapanood
Facebook.
Ano?
Kaya ako napatingin na ako doon na alam.
Bakit?
So, ano, pinangarap ko. Oh my God! Pinangarap ko talaga makasakay dito.
Bakit? Day.
Ano, nakapalo ko niya.
Nakapal.
Nakapalo ko siya.
Oh, di ba pa picture nila?
Picture kami. Sige.
Day. Na ano ni sister.
Promise.
Ito pala nasakyan namin eh. Nakapalo daw siya.
Call sa kanya ng dulo. Namilapot talaga ako. Ay, bakit ba? Picturean mo kami, sister.
Day, tingnan mo naman yung kapatid ko. Day, ano ba naman to, Day?
Pinangarap ko talaga siya sa ito ang nangyari dyan. Sabi ko na, hindi makaano ko
Ah.
Saan ko ba hanapin yan?
Ba, ano ba to, sister vlogger? Siguro.
Tapos sa TikTok niya.
Huwag ka nga daw maingay.
Uy! Sige na, sister. Picture.
Picture kayo, kuya.
야, 저는 한국 사람입니다.
Ha?
Korean. Hmm?
Uy, sige na, picturean mo kami. Napanood ko siya. Do you do vlogging?
No. Why? Why vlogging? Hmm?
I thought that's a camera.
What the camera?
Never mind.
Do you know TikTok?
Hmm?
Do you know TikTok?
Oh, no, TikTok. No. Why?
Oh, nothing. I'm just wondering.
I know TikTok, but
You don't do TikTok?
no. I mean,
I thought you are the one I saw.
why there's a same travel making video?
Yeah.
What content?
He's pranking the...
What car?
I can't remember. But he pretends to be a Korean.
But he is a Korean? He is a Korean?
No.
No?
He just know how to speak Korean and... What if you want to?
I don't know.
Ay, kuya, vlogger ka?
Loco?
Wala po. Uy, ito ba? Pwede mo maganda lang. Kaya vlogger ka po? Stoy?
Hindi niya kayo naiintindihan.
Parang kilala po kita.
Kamusta kita?
Tulad naman kanina pa siya.
Are you a vlogger or something? Are you a vlogger or just an Uber driver?
Vlogger?
Vlogger, like video
Like
vlogs.
video...
You do vlog?
YouTube
vlog?
content.
No. But can you teach me Tagalog?
Yeah, of course.
Vlogger yata si Kuya, Tagalog to.
Are you vlogging?
Are you vlogger?
Oh, vlog.
Yeah, you have cameraman.
Vlogger?
For safety purposes.
Vlogger.
You speak little English, then you told us to, can you teach me Tagalog?
No, I want to learn Tagalog.
Nice one. Nice try.
You-
You're smiling, man. I can see you, man. You're smiling, man. Nice try.
Just kidding, bro.
Nice try.